Monday, June 26, 12:25 p.m. New York time. Good afternoon. This is a review of a scalp I took on the S&P 500 futures this morning. Looking at the four grids. Top left is the daily chart. Top right is the 1 hour. Bottom left is the 15-minute. And the bottom right is the 5 minutes. Currently, the daily candle is red, broke below the low of Friday. The momentum's to the downside. Looking here at the 1 hour from overnight, we were above here, testing big round numbers, 4,400. We also tested quarters, 43.75, down here, the dotted horizontal line. Yeah, big trading range. Asian session, London session, New York session, back down here again. Scalping, I scalp on the 1 minute. I look for setups on the higher time frame, but I'm entering on the 1 minute. Here on the 15-minute chart, this is the Asian session, London session, and the New York session. Red horizontal lines, solid, big round numbers. Red horizontal line doubles ending in quarters. Starting from 8 a.m. right here, this session, we were inside the range of the London session. Pretty much consolidation here. Discrete green candle, the 9:30 New York session open. Took out that high here. Took out the high of the London session. Momentum continued going up. The next 15-minute candle green, higher high, higher low, followed by another green candle making a higher high and a lower low. Again, each one testing above big round number 4,400, which was occurring over here overnight. So we had trades occur here, came back in. Maybe those were shorts. Some of them may have been shorts, left their shorts open, and they got tested again. Taken out. New short positions come in. Look at this big impulse move down, just as that big green candle went up. Big one went down. So going forward, looking at the 5 minutes. Look at this big green candle. Tested the prior day's low, blue, dotted horizontal line. Bullish pin bar. It's on the bottom of a trend. Huge wick. Tested this 15-minute low. Let me zoom out a little bit. Again, see? So that 15-minute low there, that yellow horizontal line. Sorry. Let me zoom in there. So again, you can see a little bit better. And now it goes to the 15-minute. So this 15-minute low, which was between the London session and New York session there, it tested. Let's zoom in a little bit more. It tested here. Buyer stepped in. Yep. So that 5-minute candle, buyer stepped in. Again, bullish pin bar. Give me a bullish trade setup. When that got done, then I went down to the 1 minute. Zoom in some more. Yep. So I had that horizontal line, that 1 minute. Waited for the break. Break came. Went long. Already had my working order to close because it was a scalp. It was only for a few seconds, a few minutes, but this one actually lasted a few minutes. Big impulse move up. Had it closed. Working order got filled. Yep. Kept it open. Could have made more money because look, the next minute made a higher high. The next minute made a higher high. That wasn't what I was trying to do. Scalp. Just looking for a few points. It's back on a 5 minutes. And the setup was contrarian because the trend was down and I was looking for that reversal. To me, I interpreted that bullish green candle as a reversal, but I waited for confirmation. Again, I showed you I waited on the 1 minute, but I drew that horizontal line above that 5 minute and on the 1 minute when they break above. Again, came down to key levels. Let's put that on 15 minutes so you can see. So like a 15-minute candle, it was that yellow inside candle bar where my entry and exit, but the event occurred here. See these levels got tested at the bottom of that 15-minute, which is a swing low, prior day's low, that blue horizontal line. So taking that back on a 5 minute and see these levels were tested. These levels, the horizontal lines I drew. And buyers stepped in there. For whatever reason, they stepped in there. Like I said, then I took that trade. Well, going in hindsight, looking at the 15-minute now, thank goodness I closed that bullish position. We are lower now. Yeah, a lot lower. A lot of volatility. Taking this back here on the hourly. Remember I mentioned the horizontal line quarters and 00. So let's go look at that on the hourly. I mean, on the 5 minutes. Zoom out a little bit. During the morning session, before 9:30, again, this 8 a.m. to 9:30, you see we went up and tested this big round number. Consolidation. I'll zoom in a little bit more. So my thought process was up here to take a short, trade bearish. I did take a bearish. If you look at my prior video, that was using options early in the morning. Yep, early in the morning, doing bear call spreads. But the point is here, just on the 1 minute charts, I'm seeing distribution, smart money selling here. This was a stop hunt. This big green candle was stop hunt, was a fake out and took it out. So if I gone short with the S&P 500 futures here and kept my stop above this high, yeah, I could have made a lot more money on this downward trade down here, from here to here. Where would I take in this trade? My entry on the 1 minute chart, break below this one right here. Big impulse move down. Again, you want to catch it as soon as it broke below that stop hunt. So again, I would have to have that horizontal line. I'll show you right there, and then be watching it on the 1 minute. Hopefully you understand this. Again, I'm looking at these 5 minute candle bars, reading the candlesticks, determining my price levels where I want to go, and then watching on the 1 minute. So once I set this up, again, I have multiple screens. I'm looking at this. Need to react fast when this breaks down. So what I'm saying here is I did not take this short here. In hindsight, I did not. With the scalping, nope. I did a bear call spread here with options here. You see that in the other video. But disappointed I didn't take that short here. But again, after that panic selling down here, I see this occur and the opportunity arises. There's always another trade. So I missed out of that short and took this one, this bullish trade. There's always another trade.